Hi there, this is Avraham with ReConvert. In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize the product details block, what options are available, and the key differences depending on your widget and page type. To get started, navigate to the product details block inside whichever widget you're using. By default, ReConvert displays the variant name as the product details to display, as we can see here in the preview panel. Before we go on, I just want to make a note that the product details block may look slightly different depending on which widget and page type you're using. Some customization options may not be available in certain widgets, so always check the settings in your specific widget to see what's possible. If you want to change what the product details are displayed, then you could choose from the following options. The variant name will show the variant title of this particular variant from your Shopify inventory. Vendor will display your store's name. In this case, this is my demo store. Type will show the product type. In this case, this is a snowboard, so it displays the word snowboard. Again, this is directly from your Shopify inventory. Custom text will display your own text with the formatting options that you've decided, including bold, alignment, font size, and any hyperlinks you wish to add, like so. The last option you have for product details to display is to display no details, like so. Now, assuming that we do wish to select some details here, let's say we have type, where we have snowboard written there. We can then choose which text style we'd like. Would we like uppercase, where everything will be in capital letters, or would we prefer lowercase, where everything will be in lowercase letters? A point to note that if you're using custom text, then you will not see the case to change the text case because you can just type in capital letters or keep it in lowercase. It's completely customizable within the text box itself. And that's it. Once you're happy with your changes, click Save at the top right corner to apply your updates. And if you need more help to learn about specific blocks within a widget, you can use the sidebar on the left-hand side of the page to navigate to the particular block you're interested in. Once you're there, click Learn More about the product details or whichever block you're in, and then you'll find additional help desk articles and videos. Thanks for watching and happy reconverting.